Dr. Cummins here. Here at my office, we're seeing more and more people that are having neck and back pain that is being caused from use of a laptop at home, working long hours over the last couple months. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how to set up your laptop to optimize your posture and decrease these problems. So normal anatomy, talking about that. Generally speaking, you want your head, your ears to be balanced over your shoulders and your shoulders to be balanced over your hips. When your body is out of position for long periods of time, like this, the muscles will become fibrotic and tight. Over time, they'll become inflamed and stiff, and that's going to create these problems. So we want to get back into that normal position. It'll take a lot of stress off of the spine. When people are working at home with laptops, frequently what they're doing is, they're in this position. You can see how my head is no longer over my shoulders. My shoulders are in front of my hips. So what you want to do is get your head back over your shoulders and your shoulders back over your hips. So you want to sit back in your chair like this. So most of the time when you do this, the computer is too far away. You have to reach for the keyboard, and most people, when they're reaching for the keyboard, it'll pull their back off the chair, it'll pull their head forward. So the only way you can sustain this posture over time is to use an external keyboard and an external mouse. So most of the time, if you place the keyboard close to the edge of your desk and put a mouse right here, and then position your laptop further away from you, you'll be able to move your chair really, really close to the edge of the table, like this. Mouse is here. Then you'll be able to sit back in your chair. Now, if you do this with a laptop, using the laptop keyboard like this, the screen is so close to you that your head will be forced down like this. So it's not usually practical to do this with the keyboard laptop really close to you. It's better to use an external keyboard and an external mouse. So even better, more ideal than using an external keyboard and an external mouse would be to hook your laptop up to some external monitors like this, and then install a keyboard tray like this with external mouse. So in this position, you can pull everything really close to you, and then you're able to sit back in the chair and really get away from the screen. You can set up the screen so that the top third is eye level. You can use the back of the chair in an optimal way. It will support all the weight of your back. The armrest of the chair can take the weight off of the shoulders and the neck, and it'll substantially decrease the amount of stress in through here. So this posture will go a long way at reducing stress causing neck pain and lower back pain.